What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wagh and I test out Salesforce apps so you don't have to. And today we're going to be looking at an app called Declarative Lookup Rollup Summaries, aka DLRS, aka DLRS. So, what is DLRS? DLRS is a tool that allows you to create rollup summary fields, but despite Salesforce limitations, you can create as many as you need, and you're not limited to a master detail relationship. You can simply have two objects that are related to each other via a normal lookup. So here's the situation. You've been asked to create a rollup field on the account object that shows the total number of executive contacts. Unfortunately, you've already hit the 25 rollup summary field limit. So you call your boss and ask for advice. Whoa, wrong number. So you call your boss and ask for advice. Your boss simply says, no worries, just use DLRS. It's easy, free, and you don't have to code. Getting started is simple. Once you've installed the app, you'll find it in the app launcher. And now you're ready to create your first DLRS. So let's start by giving this a name and API name. We'll call it Count All Executive Contacts. Next, let's define the relationship. So we know that the field will ultimately be on the account object, which is the parent, and we know that the information displayed in that field is rolling up from the contact object, which is the child. Now, in the relationship field, let's define the field that links them together, which is the account ID. If we were to stop here, then our rollup summary would simply count all the contacts. But we want to just show the executive contacts. So let's add some criteria. We'll say title equals executive. And remember, you don't have to add criteria, but if you do, be sure to list out the API name of the criteria fields below. For this example, we just used title. Next, let's fill out the rollup details. Field to aggregate is basically identifying the unique field that needs to be rolled up. Very often, if you're just counting records like we are today, we'll just use the ID. And if you've made rollup fields before, then you'll be very familiar with the operation options. For this, we just want to use count. Next, we want to insert the API name of the field that will actually display the number of executives. So I made a custom number field on the account object called number of executives. And here I'll paste in the API name. Let's keep the calculation mode in real time because it means our data calculates instantly, but you can have it scheduled or even triggered by Process Builder. And I like to change the sharing mode to system. If the mode is on user, it will take into consideration your user sharing rules. Congratulations, you've done the hard part. Now we simply need to click a few buttons to save, deploy, and activate. So let's save our work. Now click on the Manage Child Trigger button to turn all your declarative settings into an Apex trigger and then have it deployed. Now the code is created on your behalf and it's deployed. Let's go back to our rollup summary. Let's activate and press full calculate. By running a full calculate job, you're basically telling the app to immediately start processing across all of the account records. And now you're done. Let's check out an account and see it in action. We're now on an account and we can see that my number of executives field is filled out and it's counting the number of contacts that I have with the executive title. I really like this app and it should definitely be part of every admin's tool belt. However, before using this, always make sure to try and clean up or remove any unnecessary rollup summary fields that you already have. And if there's truly nothing you can do, then DLRS is definitely one of the best backup tools. But that's all I have for this video. Thanks so much for watching and make sure to check back soon because I have app video reviews just like this one coming up weekly. But until then, thanks again. See ya.
So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top